Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. If you don't know us, we are Orfe and
Gabriel.
And today we want to show how we protect our planet.
Today we bring a project to remind us the importance of keeping our oceans clean and to protect the life of marine animals.
A mini ocean!
Just kidding. This is going to be the real thing. For this project, we're going to use the following materials. Cardboard, recycled paper, any recycled container, any paintable small objects such as these rocks, thread, scissors, masking tape, an X-Acto knife, hot glue, paintbrushes, eco-friendly paint.
Please don't use those containers that came with toxic components. And remember, the purpose of this project is to learn how to take advantage of the material we already have at home and avoid buying new material, so it will help to prevent further contamination.
The first thing we will do is paint an ocean. On the recycled sheet, we will put the colors like this. With the large paintbrush, we will paint from one end to the other, trying not to mix it very much. So now we're going to make the fish. So for the fish, you can use anything small and paintable, like bottle caps or small rocks. And we're going to use small rocks.
For a stunt, I like to paint them first in white to make the colors brighter.
According to the United Nations organization, in 2050 there will be more plastic in the ocean than marine animals.
We should do something.
Yes, what if we avoid using disposable plates, cups, balloons, cutlery, straws, bags, etc.?
Yeah, that will help a lot.
Now we're going to paint the fish.
Do you know how?
Yeah, this is easy.
The fishes! From this bottle, we will get the container for the mini ocean. We are gonna use just this part.
Now use this to trace the hole and then cut the holes out. Then cut two stripes of 1 centimeter thick, and then also cut them out. So.
Let's put this puzzle together.
Well, I don't think this is what it's supposed to look like, right, Orfe? Okay. What we're really supposed to do is just take this and just connect it to this like that with masking tape. Now it should be like this, now that we've taped it with masking tape. Now we need a second one. Now we're going to paint them. So we're going to flip one over and just connect that like that. And we're going to use hot glue for that. This part is going to be used for hanging the fish. So now the fish are hanging, and we're going to put that there. But before that, we're just going to take the background that we painted before, and then we're going to fold it in half. Then we're just going to put it inside the tank, and we're just going to cut it to adjust it so it fits perfectly. Okay, so now we're just going to make it like one sheet of paper with glue. Now we're going to add the decorations. Now let's really complete the puzzle.
So beautiful.
It would be great if you put a mindful message.
We hope you like this video. You can do it in many ways.
If you like the video, share it to make more kids want to take care of the planet. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like.
Don't miss our next project. Ciao!